go ahead and apply my lashes offline. These are 27mm Mink lashes, you guys. If you haven't already checked them out, please visit my website www.mesmerizedbeauty.com and get you a pair, honey. So y'all, I'm gonna be using, since I'm gonna be outside, you guys, I'm gonna be testing this glue out and to see, because it says it's water resistant. So I'm gonna use the Esha Luxury Wig Absolute Lace Bonding Glue. This is what it looks like, and I got the small tool just to test it out, and it says it's water resistant, you guys. Water resistant. And basically I'll be sweating, y'all. I'll be sweating, your girl be sweating. So I'm gonna use this unit here, and this is from my wig collection, my hair collection, which is BeauTeBundlez.com. If you haven't already checked it out, check it out, honey, y'all. Exclusive deals on there. Support black owned businesses. Get them to the top of the map, you guys, because we be sleeping on each other, but black owned businesses really should be prosperous. They should be really prosperous here in America or the United States or the whole world, to be honest. So if you guys have not already seen my previous video to how I make my units, I will put the information and link in the description bar below. That is one of my top lining videos on YouTube, is how I made my wig, and it has over 12,000 views on it, so you guys can check that out. Share it with a friend. Also, if you have not already seen how I colored this unit, you can look at that too. I have the watercolor method. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, y'all, and I'm not gonna do the ball cap method. It's just, that's too much. It's too much work, and it's already too much work getting this unit on. So it's definitely a lot of work when you trying to, that's just work, and I don't want to put in work today. So I can't, y'all, this unit is, let me show you, this unit is glueless, so I can pretty much put it on, and y'all see that I don't have to melt anything down at all. Like, I don't have to melt nothing. It's glueless. Like, I can lift it up, put it down. But because, like I said, y'all, I'm gonna be outside, I'm gonna use a minimum glue. I'm gonna glue this part down, and then I'm gonna glue my tabs down, just so I can have some extra secure going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back a little bit, because I'm gonna do this part first. And you guys, if you are not an expert with lace glue, I suggest you use the Got to Be Used Blast and Freeze spray, or you can use, I don't have my other one, but it's another one. It's the Got to Be Glue gel, and it's like this one, but it comes in a black tube. It is clear gel. This one here is like glue. But you can use that. Those are temporary holes, but it helps because it lets you get pretty much familiar with how to use that, so that you can use lace glue. So without further ado, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and glue this baby down. So I'm gonna take, let me get my mirror so I can see. I'm gonna take a small, squeeze this out. Is it coming out? Yeah. Is there any glue in this thing, y'all? Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze out the amount that I want to add up here. And y'all, I'm not putting that much. I'm not putting that much at all. But you want to make sure that this stays away from your hair as much as possible. So a little thin line like that will be good. And then I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to kind of push it back just a little bit. Again, making sure you are not getting this on your hair, because you do not want your hair gone. Okay? You just don't want to have no hair gone. Okay, that's not cute. And y'all have to work fast because this, as I'm working with this glue is drying stupid fast. And y'all want to let it get clear before you glue it down. So while I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna go over here to my ear tabs, and then I'm gonna add some over there on the side. Not a lot, y'all, because again, I really don't. I can do glueless. And y'all, I have to be real careful because my sideburns go all the way out, like far. See that already getting like, woo, that stuff is sticky, baby. It is wholly sticky, and I need to go ahead and snap that baby down. Hold on, y'all. I gotta snap her down because she is ready to go. Like ready, you know, like for real ready. Y'all want to make sure y'all have your rat tail comb too, because you don't want to use your fingers like I just did, because you see it make it sticky. So you just want to sit that right there, making sure it is on there good, y'all, because you don't want to pull this thing up. Okay, that's what you don't want to do. You don't want to do it and then pull it up, y'all. And this glue so god dang gone strong, it is giving me, it's snatching me like a whole new facelift, y'all. Oh, this is on there, honey. Y'all, this glue, oh my god, it's like stupid strong, like hella strong, y'all. It's holding this thing down, and I only did this side. It's giving me a whole facelift. I think I should put something right there, maybe, or maybe not. I'm not gonna put that right there. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna make sure this is in there real good, and then I'm gonna go back and add my powder on. Y'all, this glue ain't no joke, honey. It ain't no freaking joke. Excuse my language, y'all. That glue ain't no joke. It is not playing no kind of games, y'all. This glue snatches it back, honey. Like when y'all put it on, y'all gonna feel, y'all gonna know what I'm talking about, because y'all gonna feel it. It's just that strong. So let's do this side. Y'all, I gotta catch up. So we're gonna go ahead and woo, be careful, y'all. I don't want to get that on your hair. Be careful. So again, a thin layer is good, and thin goes a long way, y'all. Y'all do not have to go in and put a ton of glue. Like, that's just, it's unnecessary, honestly. It's so unnecessary. It is extremely unnecessary to have to use a lot of glue when you don't even need it. But if you accidentally get it on your hair, hurry up and move fast and just get it off. So again, y'all, I use a thin layer. You want to let that turn clear as much as possible before you glue it down. And y'all see I didn't pretty much put the glue everywhere because like I said, this is a glueless unit, so you didn't really have to do that. But I'm gonna be outside, so I don't need, well, y'all know what, this over here lifting, so I think I am gonna add just a tad bit right there because it's lifting and you can kind of see how the glue is, and I don't like that. So let's go ahead and add just a tad bit right there. This side ready to go. So let's go ahead and pull her down. And y'all, if y'all have any parts that's lifting up, you can go back in and just glue that down later if you wanted to. Like this right here, I didn't add any glue to it. So I think I'm just gonna add a tad bit right there. So that it can glue, be stuck down right there, because I didn't add no glue. But let's go ahead and push her down in here.
Yeah, Missy Mari got beats.
Down and ain't going nowhere. And if you got glaze glue around there, you can go in with some alcohol and kind of rub it off. Like I feel like I got some right here, maybe not. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my makeup and just make sure everything is blended out on here. She is on there, honey. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw me in some curls, just a little bit of curls. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs because I don't want no baby hairs. I want it to be natural as possible. So I'm not gonna do no baby hairs. But yeah, y'all see how they look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some curls in there, and your girl is gonna be back with how she look. Maybe I might do a little bit of baby hairs. Just a little bit. I'll be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video using this lace bond glue. If you want to see more, make sure you comment down below, like this video, share it with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got more content coming for you guys, and you just don't want to miss out, okay? Your girl is creative and ready to go. You don't want to miss it out. So you guys, share it with a friend and keep these videos coming, honey. Until next time.